Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the differences between cash and accrual basis. What are the cash and accrual basis? These are methods of recording, accounting transactions. So cash basis and the accrual basis are methods which are used to record the accounting transaction. What is cash basis? Cash basis is the method of recording accounting transaction in which revenue transaction they are recorded when cash is received and expenses is recorded when cash are paid. So in cash basis, revenue is recorded when cash is received and expenses is recorded when cash is paid. So if cash is not received or paid, the transaction is not recorded. This is different from accrual basis. In accrual basis, revenue is recorded when it is earned and expenses is recorded when it is incurred, irrespective of whether cash is paid or received. In accrual basis, unlike in cash basis, as we discussed earlier, in accrual basis, revenue is recorded when it is earned. That means when the entity has performed the service to the customer and it has shifted the risk and the reward to the customer, then the entity is supposed to record the revenue, and also it is supposed to record the expenses when it has incurred, irrespective of whether it has paid for it or not. So this is difference number one. Difference number two is that cash basis is more simple compared to accrual basis. Cash basis is simple because when you receive cash, you record revenue, and when you pay cash, you record the expenses. There is no complication of preparing ledgers for prepaid expenses or outstanding payment. So cash basis is simple as compared to accrual basis. Another difference between cash basis and accrual basis is that in cash basis it is easy to track companies' cash flow as compared to accrual basis. In cash basis, it is easy to know the cash flow status of the company because all information you have is about cash received or cash paid. But in accrual basis, it is very difficult to track the cash flow of the company because the transaction can be recorded even if the cash has not been received or paid. Another difference between accrual basis and cash basis is that accrual basis gives better measurement of profitability as compared to cash basis. This is because accrual basis associate the determination of income to matching principle. Another difference, as we have discussed here, is that in accrual basis it is easy to track the profitability of the company as compared to in cash basis, because in accrual basis we match expenses and revenue, where in cash basis we just record when cash is paid or received. So accrual basis gives better picture of profitability of the company as compared to cash basis. Another difference between cash basis and accrual basis is that cash basis is usually used by small companies and for personal finance, while accrual basis is used by large companies. In many cases, cash basis is used by small companies and for personal finance, where accrual basis is used by large company, especially publicly traded companies. So these are some of the difference between accrual basis and the cash basis. And if what basis is better compared to the other, accrual basis is considered more better compared to cash basis because it is in line with matching principle, which matches expenses and revenue which record revenue and expenses associated with the generation of those revenue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question regarding financial accounting, please send your question to amitjedson@gmail.com. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.